And I'm sorry, I keep getting distracted, but I saw another plant here that's worth talking about. Promise, this will be the last one right here.
I don't know. Yeah, right. Nope. Don't believe it. Oh, sweet.
Okay, take a leaf, pass it around. Here, we'll do this. Take one, pass it around. Take one, pass it around. First, we're going to do the test. You flip it over. Is this a dandelion?
Probably not. Is it smooth? Not that smooth, but slightly. It looks like it, but it's.
It looks like it. Yes. Yeah,
I thought it was a dandelion.
How do we know that it's not a dandelion?
It's not smooth.
It's hairy?
It's herring. Good job. So this, in fact, is not a dandelion. It's a dandelion relative, and this is called cat's ears, probably because it kind of looks like a little cat ear. It's perfectly edible. It has similar properties to a dandelion, which is that it's good for your inner organs, your gallbladder, pancreas, liver, kidneys. Because it's fuzzy, this one is a better green to eat cooked. It's much more pleasant. So again, you throw it in soups and pastas, stir fries. This is a great green for stir fries. How else? You could bake it. You could put it in lasagna. You could do whatever the heck you want with it. But this is a great green. And it's literally everywhere in Tacoma. The other identifying characteristic is it will develop yellow flowers, kind of like a dandelion. But a dandelion has one flower per stem, and cat's ears will have multiple yellow flowers per stem. Okay, so I promise this will be the last one. This will be the last one. Let's head back to Expand. If anybody wants to buy a book, I have a couple of those. Otherwise, I'll answer questions. And if people need to go, they can go, or we can kind of linger for a little bit and talk more about plants.